Hello everyone, welcome to Teluguone Fashion. I'm your host Kritika Sharma and today I am here to pamper myself, in a mood to pamper my weekend. For that I have come to Nailashes, situated in Banjara Hills, road number 4. So let's go and take the services and take you through what all they have to offer. With me I have the store owner Krishika. Hi Krishika.
Hi Kritika, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
So tell me Krishika, when did you open up this place?
So we opened the store in 2024, Feb 14. That was the day that we actually opened the store. And here we are, it's almost been a year and a half now.
Okay, so tell me something about nail care. But before that, tell me, what am I getting done today?
You're getting your nails done, especially the Christmas, because Christmas is coming and also the New Year's is on the way. So we're getting Christmas plus New Year's nails done today.
So what design am I getting on my nails?
I've got selected a very nice picture for you. Because Christmas and New Year's is all about glitter, red. So let's do something like this today.
Okay, let's start. So yes, as we proceed, please tell us about nail care. How does one take care of their nails?
Okay, so I basically get a lot of questions when people ask me, Krishika, how do we take care of nails? Taking care of nails is very important, and I will tell you why and how. Okay. So when we talk about nails, I say, when I was talking about the seasons, so I was also talking about how do we take care of your nails and your hands. So moisturizing your hand is very important every night. Oiling your hand is very important. Manicure is one of the very important things I always suggest the client. Take a manicure. It could be a basic manicure or a luxury manicure, doesn't matter. But please do take manicure every month once. For your hands and for your feet, please take pedicure, which is very important because it helps in moisturizing your hand and also releasing a lot of dry skin. So when we talk about nails, I would see what happens. A lot of women come to me and they say, Krishika, we want to do every month nails. As a brand owner or probably as a store owner, I would definitely want people to come back every month, but I also tell them doing nails every month is not okay because you need to give them time to breathe, which is very important. So basically now, since Christmas is coming, New Year is coming, I'll be having a lot of women coming down who wants to get nails, but I will also tell them, say now as you are getting your nails done, okay, I have taken a break and it's been almost a month I haven't got my nails because it's very important for the nails also to breathe as we breathe.
Okay, Krishika, so tell me, why is it so important? Like you see, she's filing my nails.
Okay.
Why is it important to file the nails? Can't you do it directly?
Okay, so I will tell you. So what happens, so when I'll show you on my nails. So what happens is basically, so I have nothing on my nails, no polish, nothing. So you will have a very shimmer kind of a layer on your skin, okay? So what happens when you're doing an extension, so when you're doing a polish, it will not stay for a longer time on your nails if you don't file or buffer it. So you file and buffer it to get it to a smoother layer. So I mean, though our nails are there, but it has a little shine kind of a thing on our nails.
Gloss.
Like little glossy it is.
Yeah.
So you can't stick the nails to the glossy thing. So we have to remove the glossy layer to stick the nails. For that, we either do buffering or first we do filing and then we do buffering to smoother the layer.
Wonderful. That's nice. That definitely makes sense.
Yes.
Also tell me, what are the different shapes we can do for the nails?
So we have a lot of shapes that's available. So there are a lot of shapes, and when I talk about shapes, there are 12 shapes of nails. Okay. So usually very common are almond shape or the rounded shape because it is very easy for people to handle. So I get a lot of clients who are like, Balu, IT field లో వర్క్ చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు, దే ఆర్ డాక్టర్స్ and they are computer people, so they keep working on the system. So for them it becomes very difficult when you have bigger nails and like longer nails. So we usually tell the clients, ma'am మీరు చిన్న పెట్టుకోండి, సో ఎందుకంటే అది కొంచెం మీకు ఈజీ అవుతుంది హ్యాండిల్ చేయడానికి. Number one that. Number two, mali when we come on shapes, okay, when I'm talking about 12 shape, it is very easy for a client to handle a round or a square or a normal round, almond shape. When I'm talking about, see, these are the shapes when you're talking about. You have here stilettos, which is very pointed. Then you have lipstick, you have flare, then you have arrowhead. So this is when we're talking about, this is the one I'm talking about, which is very easy to handle. This is rounded, square, which is also called a squirrel. And again you have squirrel, and then you have oval. So these are the nails which are very easy for anybody to handle, be it like a 12 years old girl or maybe be a 60-year-old lady. So I would always prefer them to have these shapes.
That's right. So like you said, you mentioned about this light, which is pretty much equal to the sunlight, right? So is it also true that, I heard about this, that when you put your hands under this, it ages your hand faster?
See, again, I would say it's a myth. Definitely it's a myth, because anything which is not being taken care, because see, would age definitely faster, because there are a lot of things that are coming in the market. When I always say, please moisturize your hand, oil your hand, which is very needed, important. Be it summer, be it winter season. That's the important thing. So when you put your hands in the UV light, we usually do, before that, we put you a sunscreen. Okay. So when we talk about the sunscreen, why do we use sunscreen on the face? Why do a lot of dermatologists, cosmetologists suggest, Kritika, that you should use sunscreen before you go under the sun. The same way, we put sunscreen on your hand, and then we put the hand in the UV machine, so that it shouldn't affect your skin a lot.
Okay, so that means it doesn't age you.
No, it doesn't age. There's nothing called aging that happens with the light.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah. So tell me, what kind of nails are trending this season?
Okay, love. What month is coming?
December and Christmas.
December and Christmas is full of bling, full of reds, full of love, full of light, full of energy. So we have a lot of different kind of nail polishes. When we talk about them, we have cat eye. Cat eye is basically very trending now. Cat eye is done using magnet. Okay, you can see a difference in your fingers. Then we have chrome. Chrome again also have different colors, which is all in shimmer. Okay, all sheen. So it's like very, very beautiful. You have gold, you have silver, you have green, red, and again you have glitter, sugar. So there are a lot of things that can be put on your nails.
Oh, wonderful.
Depending on your season. When Diwali was there, we did a lot of crackers on the nails. We also painted with diyas. We also had diyas on the nails. We also had crackers on the nails.
Okay, Krishika, so tell me, what is the durability of the nails after they are done, and also the nail care once they are done?
So when I talk about, when I'm talking about the durability, so there are type of nails, which has different durability.
Now, one important question obviously is the affordability. How affordable or how expensive are getting nails done?
So these days there's so much in trend with the college girls, because obviously it has to be pocket friendly for them.
Yes.
Okay. So when I don't know, I don't want to talk about other brands. When we talk about Nailashes is pretty affordable with, in terms of extensions, and I don't know if I should reveal the prices, but when you talk about other brands, Nailashes is on a little more pocket friendlier side.
Wonderful. Yeah. Okay, so with all this wonderful insights, I think we are done. Thank you so much, Krishika.
Thank you so much,
Kritika.
I hope you love them. Oh, they're so pretty.
I love my nails. You see how pretty my nails look? And if you also want to get these beautiful nails done, do visit Nailashes, road number 4, Banjara Hills.
Thank you guys.